Everyone, this is resecure latch right here in the chat, man. Show everyone the product you sent me to test. Check this out. This is what he came up with. All right. If you have a broken door that has the broken latch area where you can't screw into no more, you could just use one of these. Look. See that? If your wood is all stripped out, look what this dude came up with. Anyone who has a broken door at home, the bedroom, or whatever, your kids. See that? It's like a washer that compresses in there, like a clutch puller. It's basically like a clutch puller washer. I love this fucking thing. Thing really works. All right, let me